Hi children, welcome back my children. So last class what we study, we learn a poem, isn't it? What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Traffic Rules. Okay, did you study the question answer? Okay, good children. Okay, so today you are going to know about rules to keep in mind when you are on road. Okay, some rules are there when you are on road, when you are crossing the road, when you are walking through the road. So some rules are there. So today we are going to go through it. Okay, for that you just take page number 184. Okay, rules to keep in mind when you are on road. Okay, when you are on road, certain rules are there. Okay, what is the first one? Always walk on the footpath, and if there is no footpath, walk along the right side of the road. Children, okay, if you are walking to the road, you should walk on the footpath. Look at the picture. The children are walking on the footpath. This is footpath. Okay, and if there is no footpath, walk along the right side of the road. To the right side you have to walk. Okay, got it. Okay, the first one is what? Always walk on the footpath, and if there is no footpath, walk along the right side of the road. You should walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, you have to walk along the right side of the road. That is the first one. And the second one is, do not jump at the traffic signals to prevent accidents. Okay, last class you studied about the traffic signal. Okay, so you should not jump, you should not try to cross the road from the traffic signals. For what? To prevent the accident. For preventing the accidents, you should not jump at the traffic signals. Okay, the third one, it's always good to drive in moderate speed without overtaking. Moderate means not taking over speed. Okay, so it's always good to drive in moderate speed. Look at the man, he is driving in a moderate speed. Okay, we should drive in a moderate speed without overtaking. You should not overtake any other vehicle. Okay, you should drive in a moderate speed. Okay, it's always good to drive in moderate speed without overtaking. That is the third rule. Okay, and the fourth rule, it's good to give way for heavy and fast moving vehicle. Okay, it's good to give way. We should give way for the heavy vehicles. Means what? Heavy vehicle means like bus, then container truck, the lorry. Okay, we should give way for the heavy vehicle and fast moving vehicle. Okay, some fast moving vehicle you can see. We have to give way for those vehicles. Okay. The next one, look at the picture. Did you see what the children are doing? Children are putting their head, hands outside of a moving school bus, isn't it? You should not do like this way, okay, to may cause accident. Next one is what? Do not put your hands or head out of a moving vehicle. You should not put your head or hands out of the moving vehicle. If the vehicle are moving, you should not put your head and hands outside the vehicle. Okay. The next one, look on to your right, left and again right before you cross the road. So before crossing the road, you should look both sides, not only the left side, the both side you have to look, then you have to cross the road. Okay, look on to your right side, left and again right before you cross the road. Okay, make sure that there is no vehicle, then you can cross the road. Okay, both sides you have to look, then you can cross the road. Look at the children looking, they are looking both sides. The next one, cross the road at zebra crossing. Look at the picture. This is the zebra crossing. You can see the black and the white mark. Did you see? So, that is zebra crossing. So, cross the road at the zebra crossing. If you want to cross the road, cross through the zebra crossing. The last one is, hold elder's hand while you are crossing the road. Okay, you are small children, isn't it? You should not cross the road alone. If you want to cross the road, hold elder's hand while you are crossing the road. You can hold your father, mother, your elders. Okay, elders' hand you can hold and then cross the road. Got it? Okay. These are some rules to keep in mind when you are on road. Okay, I'll tell you one more time. First one is, always walk on the footpath, and if there is no footpath, walk along the right side of the road. Okay. The second one, do not jump at the traffic signals to prevent accident. You should not jump or you should not cross the road from the traffic signal to prevent accident. It's always good to drive in moderate speed without overtaking. You should not overtake any other vehicle, and also you should drive in a moderate speed. It's good to give way for heavy and fast moving vehicle. Okay, you have to give way for the heavy and the fast moving vehicle. The next one is what? Do not put your hands or head out of a moving vehicle. Okay, you should not put your hands or head out of a moving vehicle. It may cause accident. Then look onto your right, left and again right before you cross the road. The both sides you have to look, then you have to cross the road. Okay. Next one is, cross the road at zebra crossing. If you want to cross the road, cross from the zebra crossing. The last one is what? Hold elder's hand while you are crossing the road. If you want to cross the road, please hold your elder's hand and then cross it. Okay. And then the last one, you can see some picture. Color the picture. You can color the picture. The traffic signal is given. You can give according to the traffic signal light. Okay. And then that's for today. What you have to do is you have to learn the poem, and this rule you have to keep in mind. Okay. So that's for today. So bye children.